Oh, don't feed Mowgli. Brooke, stop feeding the dog. Brooke. No. No. Juice. Juice. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi.
Oh,
Uh-oh. Tell Grandma I love you. Hey. Say love you. Do you chew on that? Ah. Yuck. Yuck. Yeah, you got more teeth coming, huh? Show Daddy why Mowgli's getting so fat. No? Show Daddy what you do. Show Daddy why Mowgli's so chubby. Look, there's Mowgli. Show Daddy why Mowgli's so chubby, Brooke. Show Daddy. Why is Mowgli so chubby? Show Daddy. Hi, Dada. Say hi, Dada. Why is Mowgli so chubby, Brooke? Why is Mowgli so chubby? You don't know? Yep, that's why. Uh-oh. Yep, there you go. That's why Mowgli is so chubby. Honey, don't feed the dog. You make him fat. Are you all done? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye. Say love you. Oh, did you get food on your face? Say bye-bye, Dada.
Bye. Yeah.
Yeah.